Hello everyone, I am Anand the Gyanbote. I welcome all of you to tradingteacher.in. So this is episode number 10 and his name is dark cloud cover candlestick pattern. So this pattern is very much important in the market. So what is that means? This pattern means the dark cloud cover. Dark means generally we can say it as a night, and clouds means that comes on the where we can say that the rain was coming, that was cloud. Okay, so what is mean by this dark cloud cover and what are the interpretations of this pattern, how to trade, how we can take a decision on this pattern, we are going to see in the next few minutes. So first of all we need to understand what is meant by this pattern. Consider there is an uptrend, market is going in up direction, and somewhat the market was opens gap up here, market was opened a gap up here, and on that day after opening the gap up it closes below the 50% of the previous day's candle. Okay, 50% below up 50% or 50% below the previous day candle. If that happens, then the next movement can be happened in the market like downtrend. Okay, this is the bearish reversal candle, and the current trend was going to reverse and the market will fall down to, we don't know how much it fall. Okay, so we are going to find the current direction, and according to that we can take a decision. We are going to see in next few minutes. Now in this episode we have already started our candlestick series from episode number 1. We have seen that doji, hammer, inverted hammer, pin bar, hanging man, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms. If you are seeing this video first time, then you can also watch these previous videos, in that I have explained very deeply how to identify these types of patterns in the market and how to take a trading decisions according to that. Okay, now we are at on episode number 10, dark cloud cover. We need to understand its technical definition first of all. So dark cloud cover pattern is a candlestick charting is a pattern where a black candlestick follows a long white candlestick. It can be indicating a future bearish. Means what? The first candle was showing that is a bullish candlestick, and the next candle was showing the bearish candlestick, and it generally occurs in a uptrend. Here I have written uptrend, and the next movement can be a bearish, and the gap up should be most important. Okay, this one was example that I have taken. This is from a New York Stock Exchange market, and this stock name is Citigroup, and the stock was going around from 34 to 41 dollar, and after touching $41.0, this pattern was formed here. Here you can here you can see, identify the example. Gap up was opened here, the candle was opened gap up and closed up below 50% of this, and from that day the market was started to fall again and again and again. So this is a dark cloud cover pattern. Okay, we are going to see it in a live chart, and this one was example I have taken from Exide Industries from Indian stock market, NSE India. So the Exide Industries were moving from 160 to 165, around 170, 72 up to 180. I think it has touched on that day. The pattern was formed here. The market opened a gap up and closed below the 50% of it, and after that day the market has suddenly fallen. So this pattern is similar to bearish engulfing, but in bearish engulfing the most of the right side candlestick was bigger than the previous day's candle, but this is not the case like in dark cloud cover pattern. So dark cloud cover pattern should have gap up opening, and it should fall up to 50% of that candle. Okay, the next movement can be seen as a downtrend. Okay, now we are going to see the live chart, and to go to the live chart, visit www.tradingteacher.in chart.html, and that I have taken I have already opened one chart here. So this is our website, tradingteacher.in, and after the website opens, you have to click here, live chart. the chart opens very small here, and this window. If you are thinking you have to see the more chart here, and you can identify the ACC was formed that pattern, but not closed below 50% of it. Okay, but still the market was going in down direction from next day. We will see what happens in next ACC, but we have to identify the pattern. So this is also a dark cloud cover because the market was in uptrend here, and the market was going back on below the 50% of it. After the next day the market was falled, and they have not touched above this net, that not gone above 1360 to till today. I think the SEC will go in up direction according to my point of view if you are holding this position from for next few days, because the market was just consolidating in uptrend move. Okay, this is an uptrend move. So we will see what happens if it goes below the 1270, then more downfall can be seen around 1000 level, and if it goes above the 1383, then we can say that the SEC will move up to 1400 1500 once again. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you are having any questions on this video, you can email me your questions and queries to this email address tradingteacher2016@gmail.com, and you can also call me directly on these mobile numbers. Okay, thank you for watching. We are coming with the next episode very soon. Okay, bye bye.